Best Temu coupon codes. Let's get started. You can navigate to this one website, Coupon Follow. As in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers for Temu. Once you're over here, search for Temu.com. And in this page, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Temu. Scroll down and check out the offers. 90% off, $30 off, $50 off, $100 off, and many more. Just click on the offer that you want to grab. So I have selected $100 off. Here is the code. Copy it, click on Redeem at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now go ahead and provide your credentials and log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase and check out. While you check out, you're going to find this section, Apply Coupon Code. Over here, you'll need to paste the code and click on Apply. With that, the coupon code will be applied and you will get up to $100 off in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers for Temu. Just click on the offers and you're gonna get the coupons. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.